Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have 5 plus 2 tan 5x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u du. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 5 secant of 5x squared dx. Because we don't have number 2 and number 5, we need to divide both sides by number 10. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u over 5 du. So we have number 1. The integration of du, we have u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.